Hello there. I want to talk to you today about an experience that helped me in one of my math classes. Back when I was in high school, I was known for being rebellious. Some might say I was pretty negative. In fact, that night, my parents grounded me for being out past my curfew. Dad was pretty mad at me. So that night, when I should have been studying for my math quiz, I was contemplating on going to this radical party my friends invited me to. I was trying to leave, but I was grounded at the time, and my parents would have been furious if they found out that I left. So I ended up being a square and stayed home instead. If you don't know what being a square means, it's someone who is honest and tries to be a good person, but is viewed as being dull or boring. I mean, I can't actually be a square. That would just be weird. Anyway, one of my friends gave me a call at the party that night and said, "Dude, there's these girls that have been talking about you all night. They want to see you right now." Now normally, I would have ran as fast as I could to the party to say hello to the girls, but I decided to stick to my previous decision and stay at home. So I ended up missing out on talking to 4 awesome chicks. Naturally, I was pretty upset, so I decided to get some sleep. The next morning, my friend texted me later saying that I missed out on an awesome party. Apparently, it ended at 2 in the morning. I met with my friend who invited me that night to talk about everything that happened. I was so jealous I couldn't make it. During the middle of our conversation, the bell rang and we had to rush to class to get ready for math. The teacher came in shortly after and said, "Hello everyone, I hope you're all ready for the quiz today." Oh no, I forgot to study. I'm going to fail for sure. Everyone complained about the quiz, and one person even yelled, "Why do we even need this? This doesn't relate to us at all." The teacher responded, "I'm sure this relates to you more than you think." And then I realized, what happened last night was exactly like the quadratic formula. Being a negative boy, couldn't decide if I wanted to go to the radical party, and then being squared and end up missing out on 4 awesome chicks, and the whole party was over at 2 a.m. I realized that everything that happened were components that made up the quadratic formula. Well, at least I'll remember this on the quiz. Maybe I wouldn't fail the quiz. As long as I remember what happened last night, I would remember the quadratic formula, and I would be okay. I took that quiz and finished remembering the quadratic formula by heart. Sure, the quiz was finding the area of a circle, and I ended up getting a C- on the quiz instead. But at least now I remembered the quadratic formula with ease. I always think about this story when remembering the quadratic formula, and I hope this helps you remember too. I really need to start studying more.